Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my dashboard planner, which is the Modern Year Classic Size Happy Planner. So I am going to be attaching my own page to the left side as always. This is just to ensure that I can track my videos and my tasks for the upcoming week. So as always, I'm just going to use an adhesive. It's a tape runner, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that page down. I'm going to use a little bit of permanent adhesive to make sure it really sticks. There we go. I'm very generous with it, I know. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull my pages out. You can see April monthly, and then we are going to be planning for the week of April 4th through the 10th, and I am going to be using a recollection sticker book. While I do that, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel. I am so grateful for you. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm so glad you found me, and I hope you will enjoy this channel. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is a small book from recollections that I had, and I thought, why not try this? So this is what I'm going to be doing. First, I'm going to apply this shiny sticker with like pinks and blues, and sorry about the light, but I'm sitting right by the window, so I'm not sure why it's showing up like that. But look at these florals. They are absolutely stunning, and I needed to make sure I use them because I forgot I have this, and look how beautiful it is. So if you haven't checked out recollection stickers, they are from Michaels. They're usually really affordable. This is an older sticker book. It doesn't even have a name, but I'm really enjoying it. And I love the color schemes of the pink, blues, and the gold. And I make my own clusters too, as you can see. So just making a cute little spread here. These flowers are really getting me. They're so beautiful. When I think about this color scheme, I kind of think about, it reminds me of like a Teresa Collins pinks with golds. I really like that. So towel is a little different and cool. I'm gonna add few of darker elements to bring in the colors from that big sticker, and hopefully they will kind of balance everything out. And now I'm gonna be adding some smaller elements, and while I do that, I wanted to check in with everybody and make sure that you're doing well, that everything in your life is going the way it should be or close to it. I hope everybody is healthy and enjoying the upcoming spring, because any day now and here we're going to have spring, and I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how beautiful. Yeah, these are just gorgeous. Yeah, I love these stickers. Oh my gosh, yeah, look at them. So I'm just gonna add small elements all over the place to make sure that it looks exactly the way I want it. And you guys, I don't know if you have noticed, but I've been sticking to like 1 or 2 sticker books lately per spread. I think that's actually really good. I usually am not able to do that, so this is new. And I'm just gonna add a couple clusters here and there to make sure this is just beautiful. Sometimes I really enjoy playing with small elements because that allows you to really navigate your page the way you want it. So I'm just adding tiny elements, and these are so cute. So like I was saying, the Michael sticker books, super beautiful, super affordable. So it's pretty cool. I am not sure if they have this book still for sale or if it's available in a store, but they have so many other books from Recollections that are available and beautiful. If you haven't checked out my recent hauls, do so. I had exorbitant amount of stickers to share with you guys, so that was that's kind of fun because, you know, who doesn't like, I don't know, people who don't like stickers, I'm suspicious of them because how fun is this, right? So that's kind of what I'm doing. And I purchased really a lot of new stickers, some older ones, so I shared all of those with you guys. So take a look and see if it's your style before you commit. That's what I always do. I go through flip throughs and kind of decide whether that's something that I need in my life. The only other thing that I can add is these little orange branches, because otherwise the color won't really match. So I'll add a few of those. And I might be done, you guys. I think my spread will be done. So I'm getting close up here with all of that. So I'm just gonna add a few of these interesting branches into the spread, and I think I might be good. Okay, so I think that's it for this spread. I think it turned out really cute. It'll be even more fun to see it once I write in it. I think I'm going to be using a peachy pen or a marker. So I will, as always, share a flip through at the end of the month of April. But meanwhile, have a great day and I'll see you soon.